Welcome to day 14 of the 14-day challenge. You made it. I'm so proud of you for sticking with me through this journey over the past 2 weeks. You've explored so many different techniques, tools, and design ideas. And today, you get your well-deserved reward, a special pearl brush pack exclusively made for you. This pack includes 2 brushes, a uniform pearl brush for classic designs and an irregular pearl brush for more natural, organic looks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install them and use them on our very last worksheet.
Let's start by installing the brushes into Procreate. In your Files app, in the Downloads section, you'll find the brushes. You simply have to click on them and they will install automatically into your Procreate. Let's start by testing them. Make sure you choose the white color in your color wheel and then choose a size for your brush and start making a straight strand of pearls. If you keep your Apple Pencil 2 seconds on the screen, you're able to manipulate the direction and the length of your pearl strand. Try making different sized ones using the uniform pearl strand. You can play around with different shapes. Next, let's move to the irregular brush. This brush works with the Apple Pencil pressure. If you're using another stylus that's not an Apple Pencil, this brush won't work and instead it will give you the same effect you have with the uniform pearl brush. If you're using the Apple Pencil, the more pressure you apply, the bigger the pearl will become. Have fun testing it.
And that's a wrap. You've officially completed the 14-day challenge to master JewelKitPro. I hope the series helped you feel more confident, creative, and empowered to bring your jewelry designs to life. Don't forget to share your creations with us on Instagram and tag JewelKitPro. We'd love to feature your work and celebrate with you. Thank you for joining me, and remember, this is just the beginning of your journey as a jewelry designer. Keep creating, experimenting, and most of all, have fun with it.